Welcome friends. Let's take a look at 30 plus original wall decorations that will brighten up any home. Add colors, patterns, and other unique elements to your wall. Here are plenty of fun and creative ideas for making unique, custom wall decorations. Most of these ideas are not difficult to prepare, but you will also find some more challenging options. The best part is that most of them require only items that you may already have at home. No matter your style or skill level, we think everyone will find something that suits them here. Follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and watch the latest videos we prepare for you.